Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check the available storage on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Now scroll down and tap on General to open. If you are on iPhone, then you will find the option as iPhone storage. In case of iPad, this option will be iPad storage. Tap on this option to open. It will take around a minute or so, depending upon the data, to calculate storage space available on your device. On the top section, you will find the actual space available. This will be graphical representation showing the space consumed by apps, iOS, photos, messages, and system data. This way you can check available storage space on your iPhone or iPad and remove the unwanted data. So that was a short tutorial on how to check the available storage on your iPhone or iPad. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.